Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Amazon Basics G-261L Cordless Beard Trimmer. The model number G261L is written right here. Once again, basic Amazon packaging. There are some information like stainless steel blades and up to 90 minutes of cordless usage after 1 hour of charging. Let's take a look at the product itself. We have a user manual, cordless beard trimmer. All important information regarding this device you will be found here, including how to use it. So do go through it at least once. It has a matte black finish to it. It's made of plastic but doesn't feel like plastic. It looks pretty solid and rugged. It's much thinner than most of the other trimmers, even by Amazon. But having said that, this is quite, it looks sturdy. It has a unique angle to it. There's not much charge in it right now, but that's okay. It has a massive dial, a dial that can be controlled from here and here. Total of I think 20 or 19 length adjustment levels. And there's also, oh, this is the power button. Yeah, that's about it. This is the, it comes with a comb. I don't know if it's detachable or not. I'm going to try. There it is. This is the comb that comes with it. This is one of the combs that comes with it. It is obviously detachable, and so I'm assuming is the head. Yes, the head is also detachable. So let's put that in there. Detachable head generally means that this is washable. I mean, the head is washable under tap water. You should never wash the motor under tap water. You should only use a cleaning fluid and a brush that is generally provided with the package. I'll get to it in a while. And this is an detachable comb. I'm gonna leave this one right here. What else is there in the box? Yeah, let's take them out. This is a USB-A type charger for the trimmer. Leave this one over here. And there is another detachable comb. This is a 20mm one. It's written over here that it's 20mm, so which makes this, I'm assuming, the 10mm. Yes, this is the 10mm comb. And there is also another plastic pouch that has the cleaning fluid and the brush. As you can see from here, I'm not going to take them out. And that's it. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Amazon Basics G261L Cordless Beard Trimmer. Thank you for watching.